Hi, my name is Abdullahil Mohinin and I am here to introduce you the Word 2016. Microsoft has upgraded Office Word to a powerful new look. Before we jump into the powerful features of Word 2016, let's get comfortable with the working environment of Microsoft Word. So, if you are following me, let's open a new Word file, and then you come to the right start screen you are seeing with me. So, if you see the left hand side, I have some list of files of uh, documents that I have worked before. So I just have to click on the file name to reopen it. I don't have to go for to browse and open for that. This is a very convenient and handy feature. At the left side of the start screen you see the recent files. However, if I want to open another file that is not listed here, I can go click on the open other documents to go browsing for my desired document file and to open it. Here I can browse from the location of on drive on my PC. I can browse, simply browse and locate the file around it. Now on the top right hand side you can see my Microsoft account credential. I am logged in. If I am not, I open Microsoft Word and not logged in, I will be prompted to open to give my login credentials. Here are the options which I can also switch to my other account. So when you are ready to open a new document, here in the start screen you can have a lot of templates. Scroll down and you can find a lot of templates here. You can choose from that, or you can use the online search panel to search many on templates of online. So here are a few templates you can choose from. We will choose the blank default blank document. It's the featured one, that is the default blank document people use to start writing on the Word. We click on the default blank document and we jump into the main working area of the Word document. So when you click on the new blank document, you jump right into the Microsoft Word 2016 interface. Here you can find many different areas: the title bar, the ribbon bar, the working panel, the writing panel, the status bar. There are a lot of options here to explore. Let's have a look. So you see the cursor is blinking. That is the working area. On the left top hand corner, top left hand corner, we have the quick access toolbar. Here we can find the essential commands that are very necessary. We can quickly access to them from here. We have the save, the undo and the redo options. and we have here the drop down arrow. This little drop down arrow lets us to select which command we want to use in the quick access toolbar. There are options here. There are many options. We can we can select more commands in the customize quick access toolbar section. The last option is show below the ribbon. This takes the quick access toolbar below the ribbon. We can uh, take the quick access toolbar above again by clicking the option again. And now in the top side of the title bar we are seeing that we are working with document 1. This means that we haven't saved this document yet. If we save the document in a place, we will see the document name here, and the top right hand corner of the title bar we see the ribbon display options. This takes us to uh, mm, how the ribbon should be displayed below our title bar. We can hide the ribbon, auto hide the ribbon. We can show only the tabs, or we can show both the tabs and the commands. And the next we have the minimize, the restore, and the close button to close the Word document altogether. But the ribbon tab is the place where we find most of the commands. Here the ribbon tab ribbon has some tabs: the file tab, home, insert, etc. The file tab is a little bit different. When we click on the file tab, we can see that we switch to another different interface. That's the file tab interface. On the file tab interface, on the left side corner, we have the info about the document. From here we can protect our document. We can inspect our document. We can manage our document. On the right side we have the document informations: the name, author names, the type, date created, the size. We will talk later on these maintaining this info later on. Now on the left hand side we have the new option for opening a new document, opening another document. For we have the open option. We have saving options. We have saving options for Adobe PDF. We have printing, share, export options. We have a close option to close the document, but not the Word, not closing all the Word altogether. And the last we have the options, Word options, to go to the different options of the customizing the Word options. Then we can go back to the file tab. Here we have a recover unsaved documents. If we didn't save any documents and our machine shut down, unfortunately, Microsoft Word tries to save these documents in a different place, and Microsoft Word lets us recover these documents. So we can recover these unsaved documents from these options. So that's our file tab. We can if we click the little back arrow, we will go back to our working interface. Here we have the other ribbon tabs, like the insert tabs, the home tabs, the view tabs. In the home tab we have many word formatting options, like the font formatting, paragraph formatting, style formatting, and the copy paste and find replacing options. If we want to insert something on our Word document, we can go to the insert tab and we can insert a lot of things like the tables, illustrations, links, comments, header, footers, symbols, etc., etc. So insert tab is very useful. Likewise, we have other tabs. If we want to change our view, we can go to the view menu and select a different reading modes like the print layout, web layout, read mode. We can opt out the ruler option to hide the ruler. We can bring back the guidelines. We can zooming. We have the zooming options, and on the right we have the macro options to record the macros. So these are the ribbons, and on the right hand side of the ribbons we have the Microsoft account name and the sharing options. We can share our document on the Microsoft Cloud or other cloud, Microsoft Cloud. The Microsoft Word 2016 program has a new feature like that's many people call the Tell Me Assistant. This is like an assistant. This assistant lets you to bring in front of you the commands you want to use, but you somehow manage to forget. For example, if you want to open but don't know how to open a document in a Word file, you just type down open, and different opening commands are available here. So these commands, Tell Me Assistant bar is very smart. It can detect the context of our search. So we will talk about this search option later on this course. So there's the ribbon section, and there's it is the, and now below the ribbon section we have the working panel. If we in the working panel on the top and the left hand corner of the working panel we have the ruler set. On the view tab we can hide the ruler or bring back the ruler, and on the right hand we have the scrolling option. We scroll down and up to go down up in the writing panel. Below the writing panel we have the status bar. In the status bar, bottom left corner of the status bar, we have the number of pages displayed, display of number of pages of the document. The number of words are shown here, and on the right bottom side we have the different reading modes. For example, we can switch to reading mode, to print layout, to web layout. We usually use print layout to write on the writing panel, and the bottom right hand corner we have the zooming option. We can zoom, we can slide the zoom to zoom in or zoom out. We usually use the 100% zoom, and at the very right we have a button to manually select the zooming percentage. We can use the 100%, 200%, 75% zoom, etc. Or we can bring display into many pages into the display. So there's the that was the overview of the working launching the Word file and the Microsoft Word 2016 interface. Later on we will go one by one um, in detail the different commands and the working uh, um, styles of Word 2016 document. Thank you.